Hi, my name is Sarkirat and this is CryptoSardars YouTube University. Today I'll show how to install MetaMask wallet on your mobile phone, whether Android or iPhone. The setup process is completely same, so any mobile user can follow. And also how to add Polygon Network in it. So let's begin. Go back to your Play Store or Apple Store in case of iPhone. Search for MetaMask. Click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Click on open and now click on get started. You can also import your previous wallet by using 12-word recovery phrase, but we will create a new wallet. Click on create a new wallet. The screen recording is disabled by MetaMask, so I have to record on another phone. Click on I agree. Set up your password. After filling the password, click on I understand and click on create password. Now click on start. Now confirm your password. Now this step is very important. I cannot stress on this step more, so be careful. Write down your recovery phrase on a paper and never share it with anyone. If you lose your recovery phrase or share it with someone, all your crypto assets can be lost and never be recovered by anyone, even by MetaMask itself. So be careful, write it down on a page because it will also ask you the recovery phrase in the next step. Click on view. Also, you cannot take screenshot of this. The screenshot is disabled by MetaMask. So you have to write it down on a page. Now click on continue. And fill up the recovery phrase in the order in which it was presented. Now click on complete backup and you have successfully created your MetaMask. Now you can see only Ethereum main network and other test networks are activated. Polygon network is not added, so we will add it manually. Go to Google and search for add Polygon network and click on the search result add Polygon network. It is official documentation of Polygon team. I will also give the link of this documentation in description so you can also follow from there. Now make sure that you are on Polygon mainnet and scroll down. Now click on Polygon mainnet. Now copy the network name field. Now go to settings, click on networks and click on add network. Now paste the network name here. Again copy the RPC URL. And paste it in RPC URL tab. Now the chain ID. Make sure it is 137. The currency symbol. And the block explorer URL. Click on add and you have successfully added Polygon mainnet. Now you can see Polygon mainnet is selected. You can also confirm your account by copying the public address and go to Polygon scan. And paste your public address here. You can see the balance is 0. Here the balance is 0. Thanks for watching and keep learning.